This video is about connecting Google Webmaster Tools, Google Analytics, getting Yoast SEO, and getting Monster Insights all set up on the back of your website. I know I've made a video about this before, but it has changed a little bit, and it's just so damn important. Why not make another video and keep it to the top of my YouTube feed? So here we go. I've already loaded Yoast SEO plugin, so if you haven't done that yet, go ahead and do that. That is the #1 rated SEO plugin for WordPress by far. So the next thing we're going to do, we're going to go to just Google Analytics. Once you get there, sign in. Of course, I'm already signed in, but you do have to have a Google account to work with this. But I'm already signed in, as you can see. And then we're going to go down here to Admin, and then we're going to create an account. Obviously, I'm going through this fast, but YouTube has this wonderful feature where you can pause. If you want to pause, you can make it slower, you can make it faster, whatever you want. Anyway, this one is going to be Voda Concentrates. And say next. We want to measure the website. We're not concerned with apps. Website is, we definitely want to copy these directly. We don't want to don't need the HTTP. Website name is Voda Concentrate. So we have what we were just asking for was the actual property details and the actual account name. So this one account is going under Voda, and the property details is Voda. That's why it's the same thing. So this is the website here. Looks pretty cool, huh? That's oil, and this is a concentrate company, extract company. So anyway. So we've copied that directly as exactly as it is. We just want to copy it directly so we can make sure that we don't misspell it. Industry category, we're going to say health, because all cannabis is health. Whether you like it or not, it's health. Create. I'm not going to read any of these. Nobody does, except. All right, and we are done. So now we have the tracking code, we have the script, but we don't have to worry about any of that because we get that taken care of for us over here. All right, so now the next thing to do is load in the Monster Insights plugin. Monster Insights is an excellent plugin that allows you to not worry about all this mumbo jumbo, all this technical crap that no one understands unless you have a degree in Google. So we're going to go over here and load Monster Insights. What this does is this puts all the important information on the back end of your website, your WordPress website, so that you don't have to log into Google Analytics every time. You can just go to the back of your website and you can see all the important information, like visitors, people are clicking through, and how long they're staying, that kind of thing. So Google Analytics dashboard plugin for WordPress by Monster Insights. Is this true? It is the best Google Analytics plugin by far. 2+ million installations. Look at those stars. It is a beast. It is installed, it is activated, and now we're going to run through a very quick little tutorial, little wizard, and it is just so easy. Again, you have to do these steps. Otherwise, it's not going to work out for you near as easy as we're doing it here. I mean, this is, SEO guys charge a lot of money just to set all this stuff up, right? So I'm showing you the best and easiest way to do this all by yourself. All right, so again, all I'm doing is I'm connecting Monster Insights to Google. It's taking care of all the code. It's doing everything for me. It's amazing. So the website should be here somewhere. These are all some clients. Here we go. VodaConcentrates.com, complete connection. And now it's going to do all this for us. We literally don't have to put a single piece of code anywhere. It is great. I personally like to have the install, the updates done for me already. And I want to help them improve, so I let them send data back and forth, or send the problem data to them if there is such a thing. We don't need to upgrade to Pro. There's no reason to pay for this. Everything is totally free. I don't need WP Forms. I've got a couple other contact form builders that I use, and we are done. Now, we're only done with this one thing. We just connected analytics. Now, the reason why we did it like this is because now we're going to go back to Yoast SEO and connect Google Webmaster Tools. So we need to connect all these things together. We need to let Google know that we're a great business and that we are in business and we're alive. And So yeah, so next thing, let's go over to SEO. And we're going to click over here to Webmaster Tools. Now, again, what I'm doing is we're doing all these steps so you don't have to do any code. You don't have to know any, you don't have to do anything really. So Google Search Console. And then we want to use our Google Analytics account. This was the whole point of setting all this up ahead of time. We registered for the Google Analytics account. Then we went to Monster Insights. We connected Monster Insights to Google. So now we've connected the website to the Google Analytics account that we created. And now, so that we don't have to do any special code or anything in the back end of the website, we're just going to click the Google Analytics button through Google Webmaster Tools, through Yoast SEO. I know this sounds crazy, but again, if you do the steps like this, it's just ridiculously easy. And bam, we are done. If you did not do it that way, you will experience heartache. Unless you're a coder, I assure you. It's great. This is by far the best way. We don't have to do, literally, we don't have to do anything. We are literally done. All right. Have a great day.